Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to Friday market. The price here is very reasonable and we are going to get some fruits and vegetables. We are going to the market, but we are going to leave behind this 3 boys. Bye 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 bye. The market is not very far. It's just 5 minutes from our location. Just next to our gate, we have this, we call it barwai fruits. Barwai Thai. And the market is towards that side. First, we need to cross this road. We are here in Sector 9, Dwarka, New Delhi. We are going to the Sabzi market. Fresh. Hi. Off to market now. So guys, we are finally here at the market. So the market starts from here, exactly from here. Chole bhature, ekdam badhiya. So the market will go all the way down there. Guys, we will get vegetables and fruits here in a very reasonable price, comparing with other states like Manipur. This market only opens on Friday. ये भी 20 का पाव है ना? So if we buy 1 kilo, they will give us for 70 rupees. We have a fresh cabbage here. All varieties of vegetables here. Mustard leaf, 20 rupees. So it's not very crowded now, but when the clock strikes 6 or 6:30 in the evening, it will get very crowded. See, look at the traffic. So let's buy sweet corn. Fresh sweet corn. Kilo hazo ya? 70 rupees per kilo. Cover nam ni na che. Cover nam e lo ni ra da. Lo sang ga ma ni. Son ma e. Palak. Ginger cost 60 rupees per kilo here. Garlic 60 rupees per kilo, 60 rupees. Beetroot, sweet potato, jackfruit, fresh pumpkin. यहाँ से निकाल देना 40 रुपए किलो ना. So guys, it's about to get dark, but we need to buy more stuff, and we are planning to buy some more vegetables before it gets dark. We have cauliflowers, cabbage, 40 rupees per kilo. Here we have RB, we call it B. अंकल अरबी कितना में बेच रहे हैं?
50 का आधा
50 का आधा कौमा है नहीं 50 रुपीस हाफ लो नहीं 60 rupees per kilo. अरबी आधा किलो 50. This is not the same as Manipur Arbi, but it tastes good. मशरूम 50 का दो है ना?
हाँ हाँ
100 रुपए के दे दो भैया. So guys, we are getting this carrot. 1 kilo of carrot. It costs only 30 rupees. By the way, guys, it's all about business. They put red light just above carrot, green light just above green veg. Coconut. Now we are heading back. It's getting dark and the street is light up beautifully. This is lemon. So guys, this is one of my favorite white mushroom. It costs only 100 rupees. This is very delicious. Strawberry costs only 50 rupees. Guys, tomato costs only 20 rupees here. Only 20 rupees. But red lights above. Hey, come on, buy now. Only 20 rupees per kilos. So guys, this is chole bhature. Only 30 rupees per 2 piece. And it's so tasty. Chole bhature section. Palak goes only 10 rupees. Spinach. Banana. 40 to 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Bananas. Watermelon. Papaya. Hi, why? Traffic jam. Very crowded. Watermelon costs 30 rupees per kilo. So it costs only 30 rupees per kilos. We are going to get the one which weight around 4 kilos. This costs 100 rupees. This is musk melon. 120 per kilos. Orange. Pomegranate 150 rupees per kilos. So, hang swim ta lon hon da. Hang swim me lor boda. Trời. Tới lẳng bữa nè. Nó còn hết đã kilo gắn nè. Hey, cái tùy ra làm bình thoại rồi đấy. I don't know what we call in English. Apple, 100, 180 rupees per kilo.
बढ़िया लो सेब लो अनार लो बढ़िया लो सेब लो जो भाई
1.5 kilo.
1.5 kilo.
1.5 kilo, 1.5 kilo. Kela.
बढ़िया सेब लो अनार लो जो भाई
We have lots of kela. We have mangoes. आम कितना है भैया? 160. 160 rupees per kilo. Wow. Looks yummy. So guys, mango season is already here. It's March already. Grapes lon tầm thế nào? Phải lon nè. Time to get grapes. Angur exubis, 120 rupees per kilo. Only 120.
बढ़िया बनाओ
मैं कौन सी था जब
भैया आम कितना बेच रहे हैं? 30 ka pav. This is raw mango, guys, and they are selling for 120 rupees per kilos, but we are going to buy it only half kilos, which costs only 60 rupees. That's half kilo. Exactly. So guys, we'll just buy onion and potatoes, and we will be moving back home because we have bought a lot of vegetables already. So here potato costs only 20 rupees per kilo. So we are going to get 2 kilos. 4 kilos I mean. So you guys look at the size. It's very big. We are going to get 4 kilos. 4 kilos. So guys, we are done with the grocery shopping, and now we are heading back home. Anh em tông bag full đi hết rồi họ. Sai không thọ biểu thế. We are finally back. Zero. So guys, finally we are back, and that will be all for today. Yes, bye guys, see you soon. Thank you for watching. Wow, what a welcoming.
Okay, I'll show you. Okay, one on.
Montus.